just arrived. Where are we gonna go? What are we gonna do? I'm so excited. Me too. Guess what, Najwa? We are in Chiang Mai. Girl, of course I know we're in Chiang Mai. We're on the same flight. I'm so happy to be in Chiang Mai. It's so peaceful and pretty here. สวัสดี Thai chef. Your mission is to create the best presentation of all three dishes that you learned today. Think vibrant colors, neat plating, and a touch of Thai flair. The most visually stunning set wins of the challenge. Yeah, let's go! Oh my god, June, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try all this food. But first, do you mind teaching me how to properly pronounce all this food in Thai?
Oh, sure. So we will start from this one.
Okay.
Like it's ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง
It's
ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง Wow, you're so Thai. And this one is ต้มยำกุ้ง
Tom yum kung
น้ำข้น
nam kon.
No.
So long.
So because it's the creamy one,
Oh,
so we
okay.
add น้ำข้น it means creamy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. What about this one?
This one's แกงเขียวหวาน
Oh, that's hard.
แกง is curry.
Kang is curry.
Yes. แกง
Kang,
เขียว
kiao.
เขียว is green.
Oh, okay.
แกงเขียวหวาน
Ken, kiao wa.
แกง like K A N G แก
Kang,
งเขียวหวาน
wan.
ไก่ it's chicken already
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel so happy to learn about new things, and Jun was so nice to teach me about all the Thai dishes.
I feel so at home. I love today.
But I think I could cook better than Jun.
I definitely cook better than Najwa.